Hello guys, welcome to my another video. This is Arch, your host, and you're watching me on Russell Brothers. So in this particular video, I am going to be talking about the latest update or the latest things that has been going on regarding the Universal Championship match at WrestleMania 37. Not only that, who will be Seth Rollins' opponent at WWE Fastlane, and Cesaro reveal his dream opponent for WrestleMania 37. So stay tuned guys, this video is gonna be very interesting. So first thing, that is, after today's SmackDown, WWE has announced another match for Fastlane card, that is Intercontinental Championship will be on the line between Big E versus Apollo Crews. So for the past few weeks we have been seeing that these two superstars are getting some rivalry within themselves. So Apollo Crews has attacked some weeks before to Big E, which helped Big E to stay out from WWE, but today he has returned to SmackDown and have a match with Sami Zayn for the championship, which he later retains. But after that match, Apollo Crews again viciously attacked Big E, which led WWE to make this match official for Fastlane. This is the third match in the Fastlane card till now. Okay, now moving to the next news. Next news is about Seth Rollins' opponent at WWE Fastlane. So after Seth Rollins returns at Royal Rumble 2021, we haven't seen him in a one-on-one match at a pay-per-view. So this will be the first pay-per-view debut after Seth Rollins' return this year, and many of us could think that this will be against Cesaro, but the answer is no. Seth Rollins versus Cesaro is still on hold, rather than WWE is planning something between Seth Rollins versus Shinsuke Nakamura, the former tag team partner of Cesaro. After on SmackDown today, when Seth Rollins finished attacking Cesaro, when he was moving to the backstage, we see a face-to-face between Seth Rollins and Nakamura. So this led us to the match that on next week maybe there can be an official announcement between Seth Rollins versus Shinsuke Nakamura for Fastlane, which will be an interesting thing and a big thing to build up the proper rivalry for Cesaro versus Seth Rollins at WrestleMania. So this will be an excellent match between Rollins and Shinsuke. Also, the next news is also about Cesaro. So few days back when Cesaro was interviewed by Corey Graves at After the Bell, he revealed his dream opponent for WrestleMania 37. Cesaro reveals that he wants to face Seth Rollins at WrestleMania 37. Not only that, Intercontinental Champion Big E and the number one contender for the Universal title Daniel O'Brien is also on his list to face at WrestleMania 37. But the shocking name that he has revealed that he do want to face, if WWE allows him, that is none other than his former tag team partner Sheamus. So Sheamus versus Cesaro at WrestleMania 37 is Cesaro's dream match for him. Also, Cesaro reveals that he also saved Sheamus' career when Sheamus wanted to leave WWE in 2016 after the destroying situation of League of Nations. Thereafter, Cesaro helped Sheamus to stay in WWE, forming the Bar and becoming a multi-time tag team champion. So there is no doubt that why Cesaro wants to face Sheamus at WrestleMania 37 if WWE allows. And Cesaro also reveals that this will be a great match according to him, because they both have a great coordination. Okay, now moving to the last news. The last news is about the theory or the situation that's been going on regarding the Universal Championship match at WrestleMania. So few days back we get to listen from inside news that Vince has been point out to Zero there are still some changes that he can made at WrestleMania 37 card, even though Edge versus Roman Reigns is fixed for WrestleMania, but there can be a change. So the situation is that today we have seen on SmackDown that Edge is been running need by Daniel O'Brien, which leads to a chance that it can be a triple threat match at WrestleMania 37 between Roman Reigns, Daniel O'Brien and Edge. It can have a possible meaning. So the reason behind is that today at the climax of SmackDown, Edge announced that after 11 years he will be competing on SmackDown, that is on the next week of SmackDown, against Jey Uso, and whoever will be the winner will be considered as the special enforcer for the Fastlane Universal Championship match between Roman and Daniel Bryan. And it's quite clear that WWE will make Edge win this match, and if Edge wins and if he becomes the special enforcer, which means that he will be the special outside ring referee for that particular match, this match will have some chaos ending, which lead to a climax that either Edge will take his revenge for the running knee and make Daniel Bryan lose that match and make Roman Reigns as the reigning champion, or he can make Roman Reigns lose that match and make Daniel Bryan as the champion. And if the second option happens, it can happen that Roman Reigns versus Daniel Bryan versus Edge can happen at WrestleMania. So this might be a possible thing that WWE is thinking. Either it will be a one-on-one match, that is Edge versus Roman, or either it will be Bryan versus Roman versus Edge. So the story is not been cleared yet, but WWE might think of this possibility if they want to spice up this match once more. So this is the thing that's been going on backstage regarding the Universal title match. So I have shared the news. I hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.